Today we're playing Song of the Wind. Welcome to my friend Izzy. I'm your host, Izzy. Let's get right down to business, because today we are playing one of my favorite songs. Do you know why I like Song of the Wind so much? It's the circle bows. They are so much fun. I love to make circle bows. Now, where is your violin? I see some of you are ready. But let's pause and make sure all of our friends have their violins. And pause. Okay, we are going to play Song of the Wind. Let's play together. How did it go? Did you know that Song of the Wind is also a folk song? That means people have been playing this song for hundreds of years. Oh, my composer hotline. Now who can this be? Hello? Oh, hello folks. It's the folk song people. Yes, we can make sure our circle bows are small and gentle. Thank you very much for the tip. Goodbye. Folk song people wanted to make sure that we play with small, gentle circle bows. Think of soft little bubbles like this. Let's play Song of the Wind again with our small and gentle circle bows. Let's play together. Circle bows. Were they small and gentle? Wesley, what are you doing?
I'm practicing my army moves.
Army? I didn't know you wanted to be in the army. Why do you want to do that?
Because I want to get one of those military tanks.
I don't think they just give away those for free.
Well, it's my only chance.
Sorry for the interruption. I wonder if we will ever get to play our music without any interruptions. Are you ready to try those soft circle bows one more time? Remember, we are playing Song of the Wind. Let's play together. if you haven't hit that subscription button yet, please do so. If you've had fun playing with us, please give us a thumbs up. We always love to read your comments, so keep them coming. We want to make lots of friends, so please share this video with someone you know. I thought you were training for an army tank.
Well, this is more funner.
Well, see you next time. Bye for now.